Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing vlog. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng Labubu sketch.
And look at the side, it's Labubu with a word on top.
May word? Ano nakalagay?
The monsters.
The monsters. Oh,
Look at the front, and then
This
also
is the front, ano? This is the front. And this is the back.
And this one is the back. Look at the back.
And what does it say?
This one has Labubu and a word on bottom.
Okay, so guys, nakalagay dito sa taas ay sketch. So,
Like the word in front.
wow, walo. Wala na magbasa yarn. Halika na, buksan na natin guys.
And I already saw this in Pacquiao.
Oo.
Our new clinic. So we saw this one.
Yeah, so excited na tayo. Masyado kang nag-chismis ng mga kung ano-ano.
Masyado kang chinichismis.
Ayan.
So many chismis.
Careful. So ito na tayo guys. Excited na rin ako makita.
Let's open up.
Ooh.
Dalawa.
Look at the card.
It
in
has
the
the
front.
same one as the Molly and Chikapanta. So it's the same one.
Yeah, and we have the back. Ganda ng color
And
combination.
it's also gold.
Yeah.
Also the one in the background just look like party things.
Yeah. So ito na guys, buksan na natin siya. Uy. Shemay, ang ganda rin.
Ready, set, hallelujah!
Okay. So ito na siya guys, buksan na natin si
Let's
Labubu.
do the hallelujah again!
Ang kaan niya? Parang wala kang hawak.
Let's do the hallelujah again!
Okay, let's do the hallelujah again. Baka naka-tape na naman. Wait, naka-tape kasi eh. Before we do the hallelujah again, we need to remove the tape.
With a handy-dandy cutter.
Yan. Alright. Wait, are you ready?
Hallelujah! What are you doing then?
Yeah.
It's the same feeling.
Same feeling, pero ito mas smooth. Hindi siya katulad ng Egon Shell na talagang ramdam mo yung pagkabato eh. Hindi ko alam ha. Pero ito mas smooth.
I don't know the instructions yet.
Unang itsura guys, ito yung unang Labubu namin kinolect na 400.
It's look
No?
like a
Or
drawing.
malaki, no?
It's look like a
Hindi
drawing.
talaga kami
then.
usually nagko-collect ng
It
Labubu.
does look like a drawing.
Pero dahil-
then.
Ha?
Dati.
Also look
Dati
like
lang.
a drawing.
Pero natuwa
It
kasi
also
ako sa
look
itsura.
Like a drawing.
Yeah.
The shell.
At saka yung color niya, parang madali siyang bagayan, ternuhan. Pero kung red to, hindi ko kukunin to kung mga masyadong colorful, di ba? Pero kung brown, yan yung mga usual colors ng Labubu.
I like all of the red.
Ready na natin, baka mag-rainbow yan. May red,
Oo, baka may rainbow
orange,
to guys.
yellow.
So ito na yung una niya. Dinrawing niya muna. Tapos sa susunod,
Violet,
magkakaroon na ng kulay dito.
Indigo.
Tapos mag-iiba-iba na lang yung kulay. Bahala na.
Pink.
Oo.
That's all.
Blind box pa, no? So yung unang impression ko dito guys ay teka lang. Ano ba masasabi ko dito?
Magaan lang.
Magaan lang. Tapos parang, alam mo yon, pagka tinignan mo siya dito, para lang talaga siyang dinrawing. So pagka tinayo nyo naman siya, yan. Bagay ito sa art class, art room, nga ganyan. Kasi ito yung itsura ng likod niya. Oh, di ba?
It look like art class, diba?
Ayan. Tapos yung ngipin niya, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pag kulang yan, alam nyo na original yun. Ayan. Tapos yung
Pag
tenga
kulang
niya.
yun, peke.
Oo.
How many
Niloko
teeth I
lang,
have?
syempre. Alam
How
naman
many
natin
teeth
kung
I
ilan
have?
talagang ngipin nila bubu.
Basta hindi pantay ang tenga dapat.
Oo, ayan. Pagka pumanta yan,
Hindi yun.
hindi yun yun.
Alam mo guys, siyan mo yung outline niya inside.
Maganda talaga yung ring eyes niya, oh.
Tingnan mo guys, hindi yung same color yung ear.
Binili lang natin kasi sa kulay.
Face.
Pero pagka dating ng Space Molly, Space Molly, iba yung bigat.
Tukoy.
Yan. Skull Panda, iba yung bigat. Ito rin iba yung bigat. Parang napakagaan. Yan, no? Baka nga ano ko lang to eh. Pero baka mahulog kasi. Oh. Charot, may support sa likod. So, yan siya guys. So, ito yung harap. Ito yung side. Ito yung
Wala
likod.
masyado mapakita.
Wala ka rin mapakita eh.
And tingnan mo guys, may straight. There's a straight in the
Oo nga. Napansin ni Sky. Oh, may straight. Oh. Ito sa harap, may straight lines.
Tingnan mo, ito din, may straight line. Also,
Inubo na ako dun.
and the makeup.
O, saan pabay na tayo? Masyado ng...
And then, there's diamonds. When you want to do diamonds,
Oh. So, kung nagustuhan nyo guys ang ating unboxing video with Labubu Sketch, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at mag-share ng ating YouTube channel. So, paano guys? Bye-bye! Yun!
Yan! Luta.